Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Your one-stop destination for placement preparation campus drive questions and the latest updates. In today's video, we are exploring Vinjit Technologies, one of India's leading digital transformation and engineering innovation companies. Founded in 2004 in Nashik, we have covered this whole Vinjit Technology summary in the PDF you can see from there. In this video, we have prepared specialization-wise interview MCQs covering more than 15 specialties, with each having 15 mixed questions, aptitude, coding, and technical, to help you get ready for Vinjit placement rounds or similar product engineering interviews, whether you are preparing for a campus drive, off-campus opportunity, or tech interviews. This video will guide you through the most important concept companies like Vinjit accept you to know. So sit back, stay focused, and let's boost your preparation together. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Tech News for more interviews, MCQs, companies, insight, and placement updates. So let's begin. So let's start with the position in Vinjit Technology. Here you go. First one is Cloud Architects. Second, Technical Lead RIP 4.0, Senior Delp P, C++, and Senior Java Developer, Data Architect, iOS Tech Lead, AI Lead, Android Developer, Senior Net Full Stack, Tech Delivery Lead, Technology Architect, SQL Developer, Delphi, C, Desktop, Senior QE Engineer, UX Designer. These all are positions of Vinjit Technology. Now, here the specialties I have covered in this video, and you can take PDF from me as a WhatsApp number. Okay, so we will cover these all specialties in this video. You can see here the summary of Vinjit Technology. Okay, I am not covering this because you will take PDF, so why I should cover. So let's go with the first one, specialty. Okay, artificial intelligence and machine learning. First one, which algorithm is best suited for binary classification? B option, logistic regression. Second, which metric is ideal for imbalanced classification? B option, recall. Third, gradient descent updates parameters by moving in which direction? B option, minimal of the cost function. Fourth, what is the main use of softmax? B option, multi-class classification. CNN are mainly used for image recognition. B option. Next, which is not a supervised learning method? C, K-means. Next, RNNs suffer from which problem? A, vanishing gradient. Eighth, a confusion metric is used for B option, classification. Next, which Python library is used for ML? B option, scikit-learn. Next, in random forest, trees are built using B option, bootstrapped samples. 11th, a perceptron is A option, linear classifier. 12th, overfitting means B option, high test error. Next, LSTM stands for long short-term memory. Next, which activation is commonly used in hidden layers? A option, relieve. PCA is used for A option, feature reduction. Now next specialty, that is blockchain and fintech. Blockchain is a type of B option, distributed ledger. Next, second question, a block contains D option, all of the above, hash, timestamp, data. Okay. Next, third one, Bitcoin uses which algorithm? B option, proof of work. Fourth option, smart contracts run on A option, Ethereum. Next, fintech involves financial technology. A private blockchain is A option, permissioned. Next, cryptocurrency wallets store B option, private keys. KYC stands for Know Your Customer. AML stands for Anti-Money Laundering. Hash function property one way. Solidity is used for smart contracts. Blockchain ensures D option all. Immutability, transparency and security. 13th one. Fintech apps commonly integrate D option all. UPI, NEFT, payment gateways. Okay. Next one, which is not a blockchain. D option MySQL. Public key cryptography uses two keys. Okay. Next specialty BFSI and product engineering. BFSI stands for Banking, Financial Services, Insurance. UPI is regulated by NPCI. KYC is required for opening bank account. Which data structure is used in banking transactions? Ledger. A core banking system enables anywhere banking. API stands for Application Programming Interface. Payment gateways use encryption. In software engineering, SDLC stands for System Development Lifecycle. UML diagrams are used for modeling. Which model allows parallel development? B option Agile. SaaS stands for Software as a Service. Unit testing is done by developers. Load testing checks performance. BFSI applications require high security. And the last one, which language is mostly used in fintech backend? Java. Next specialty, cybersecurity. Firewall is used for network security. Malware stands for malicious software. Phishing targets users. HTTPS uses SSL TLS. Strong password must include D option all. Uppercase, lowercase, special characters. DDoS stands for Distributed Denial of Service. Encryption converts data to ciphertext. A option. 2FA means two-factor authentication. Brute force attacks try all combinations. SQL injection affects databases. VPN provides secure tunnel. Ransomware demands payment. Antivirus detects malware. IDS stands for Instruction Detection System. Zero-day vulnerability means unknown exploit. Next specialty, enterprise mobility, software engineering, API and design. REST APIs use HTTP. Which method is used to fetch data? GET. JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation. Mobile apps use SQLite. Android uses Kotlin. iOS uses Swift. Responsive design uses CSS. Git command to upload code. Git push. API testing tool Postman. OOPS pillar encapsulation. CI/CD stands for continuous integration, continuous deployment. UI stands for user interface. UX stands for user experience. Flutter uses Dart. Authentication verifies identity. Next specialty, InsurTech. InsurTech refers to insurance plus technology. A policyholder is person who owns the insurance policy. Premium refers to amount paid to insurer. Claim settlement involves processing customer claims. Underwriting evaluates risk. Which tech improves claim automation? AI/ML. Telematics is used in vehicle insurance. OCR helps in reading documents. API-based integration helps insurers with the real-time data exchange. Fraud detection in insurance uses machine learning. Which format is used for policy data? JSON XML. Deductible means amount paid by insured before insurance applies. Chatbots helps with customer queries. Reinsurance means insurance for insurance companies. InsurTech apps must follows data privacy rules. Next specialty, digital transformation. Digital transformation means using technology to improve business processes. Cloud computing provides on-demand resources, which is a cloud deployment model. All public-private hybrid. RPA stands for Robotic Process Automation. Digital transformation requires all strategy tools and training. API integration helps in connecting systems. IoT is useful in smart factories. Cloud provider example AWS. DevOps ensures faster delivery. Agile methodology uses sprints. Digital maturity means ability to adopt digital tools. Legacy migration involves moving old system to modern platforms. CRM refers to customer relationship management. ERP stands for enterprise resource planning. Predictive analytics is part of data-driven transformation. Next, specialties, research and deployment. R&D stands for research and development. A POC means proof of concept. Innovation lifecycle begins with ideation. Next, R&D teams focus on problem solving. MVP stands for minimum viable product. Which language is best for rapid prototyping? Python. Version control tool Git. R&D uses which testing? Experimental testing. Patent protects innovations. R&D documentation includes requirement architecture and results. All. Prototype helps in early validation. AI research uses datasets. Edge computing is used in IoT research. Benchmarking means comparing performance. Innovation acceleration refers to fast-tracking ideas. Next, specialties. Software engineering services. SDLC phases include all requirement design testing, which testing is done without executing code, static testing. OOPS concept, inheritance. Agile framework example Scrum. Stand-up meeting duration 15 minutes. Git merge does combine branches. Exception handling Java uses try catch. REST uses JSON SQL command to modify data update. CI stands for continuous integration. Debugging finds program errors. Microservices communicate using APIs. Containerization uses Docker. Load balancing distributes traffic. JSON is lightweight data format. And next, specialty emerging technologies. IoT stands for Internet of Things. AR is augmented reality. VR is virtual reality. 5G provides a low latency. Next, edge computing processes data near the source. AI assistant example Siri. Web 3.0 is based on decentralization. Digital twins represent virtual copy of physical system. Robotics uses all sensors, controllers, and actuators. NFT stands for non-fungible token. Big data refers to large data sets. Cloud AI means AI hosted on cloud. Next one, autonomous vehicles uses all sensors, AI maps. Or drone technology is based on embedded systems. Quantum computing uses qubits. Next, specialty. Microsoft-based development. .NET framework is developed by Microsoft. C is primarily used for .NET application development. ASP.NET is used to build web applications. SQL Server is RDBMS, which is a cloud service by Microsoft Azure. Entity Framework is an ORM tool. MVC architecture stands for Model View Controller. LINQ stands for Language Integrated Query. Azure Function provide serverless compute. C uses which type of typing? Static. WPF is used for desktop application. NuGet is a package manager. .NET Core is cross-platform. Web API in .NET returns data mostly in JSON. Using keyword in C is for namespace import. Next, specialty. Global Capability Center. GCC stands for Global Capability Center. GCC provides engineering support, tech operations, innovations. Shared services include finance, HR and IT, all of them. SLA stands for Service Level Agreement. KPI refers to Key Performance Indicator. GCC support which kind of model of show. No knowledge transfer is done during onboarding. Which methodology improves efficiency? Lean. Enterprise data governance ensures data security and quality. RPA in GCC increases automation. Business continuity planning prevents outage disasters. GCCs operate with global clients. SOP refers to Standard Operating Procedure. Risk assessment deals with identifying threats. Cross-functional teams include multiple departments working together. Next, Design Studio and UI UX topic. UI stands for User Interface. UX stands for User Experience. Wireframe represents basic screen layout. Figma is used for UI design. Typography refers to font styling, which ensures accessible design. Contrast ratio. Persona creation helps to understand target users. A by B testing helps to compare UX versions. CDI stands for Call to Action. Responsive design adapts to all screen sizes. Prototyping means creating an interactive mockup. UI grid improves alignment, which white space ensures clean UI. UX writing focuses on user-friendly text. Okay, now next, a design system provides consistent UI components. Next topic, specialty customer experience. CX stands for customer experience. NPS stands for Net Promoter Score. Customer journey map shows complete user journey. CX depends on product support design, all of them. Omni-channel experience means unified experience across platform. CRM helps improves customer relationships. Chatbot improves CX by providing instant responses. CSAT indicates customer satisfaction. Bad UX leads to drop-offs. Personalization gives a customized experience. Analytics helps identify user behavior. Feedback loop ensures continuous improvement. Emotional design focuses on user feeling. Consistency across touchpoints improves trust. Fast response time matters in customer support. And the next, information technology, general IT. First one, CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. RAM is volatile memory. IP addresses identifies device on network. OS stands for operating system. Cloud computing provides on-demand resources, which is not an OS. C option, Excel. HTTP is a protocol. DNS converts domain to IP. SSDs are faster than HDD. Firewall protects network. HDCP assigns IP addresses. Git is used for version control. Python is interpreted language. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. API is used for communication between systems. And the next, specialty, enterprise mobility solutions. Enterprise mobility focuses on mobile access to business data. MDM stands for mobile device management. BYOD refers to bring your own device. Which OS is most used for enterprise apps? Android. Native apps are built using Java, Kotlin, or Swift. Cross-platform framework include Flutter and React Native. Both API integration provides backend data access. Offline apps use local storage. Push notifications require FCM. Mobile apps should follow security-based practices. Enterprise apps must support authentication and session control both. Hybrid apps use WebView. SDK stands for Software Development Kit. CI/CD for apps ensures faster releases. UX for mobile must be touch-friendly. next one, product engineering services. Product engineering involves design to development to deployment. MVP stands for minimum viable product life cycle includes development, testing, maintenance, all. Versioning helps maintain product updates. Agile is preferred because faster integration. UI UX is product engineering ensures better customer experience. Scalability means handling growth. Tech stack selection depends on performance, cost, team skill, all of them. API first products are easy to integrate. Load testing ensures system stability. And 11th, continuous deployment helps fast updates. Documentation includes architecture, product maintenance fixes, bugs, performance issues, more. Prototype testing identifies early issues. Product roadmap defines future features. And the 18th one specialty is blockchain. Blockchain is a distributed ledger. Bitcoin uses which blockchain? Public. Smart contracts run on Ethereum. Block contains hash data previous block hash. All of them. Consensus algorithm example proof of work. Next, a private blockchain is used for enterprises. Gas fees applies on Ethereum hashing algorithm in Bitcoin SHA-256. DApps stands for decentralized application. Blockchain is immutable. Hyperledger is enterprise blockchain. Crypto wallet stores private keys. NFTs live on blockchain. Blockchain reduces fraud, meaning validates transactions. And the 19th one, fintech. Fintech means finance and technology. UPI is a real-time payment system. KYC stands for Know Your Customer. Digital wallets, example payment. AML stands for anti-money laundering. And two-factor authentication means two security layers. Loan underwriting uses credit scoring algorithms. Fintech security uses encryption. API banking allows real-time transactions. Payment gateway, example Razor Pay. Fraud detection uses machine learning. NBFC stands for non-banking financial company. Crypto is a part of fintech. Digital lending apps needs RBI compliance. Microtransaction refers to small digital payments. 20th specialty in Vinci technology is artificial intelligence. AI stands for artificial intelligence. AI is used for automation, prediction, recognition, or during test checks machine intelligence. NLP deals with text and speech. Then computer vision works with images. AI model training requires data. Chatbots use NLP. Reinforcement learning uses reward machine mechanism. Deep learning uses neural network. AI bias caused by bad data. AI is widely used in fintech, healthcare, and IoT. All of them. Overfitting occurs when model memorizes data. Face recognition uses CNN. Pre-trained models reduce training time. And AI-powered apps require high compute. And the 21st specialty is machine learning. Machine learning stands for machine learning. ML stands for machine learning. Supervised learning uses labeled data. Unsupervised learning uses unlabeled data. Regression predicts continuous values. Classification predicts categories. K means clustering. ML requires training. Very easy questions. Python library for ML scikit-learn. Dataset splitting includes train and test. Accuracy measures correct predictions. Random forest uses multiple decision trees. Gradient descent is used for optimization. ML algorithm need features. Standardization removes scale differences. And confusion metric evaluates classification. Now cybersecurity. Protect protects data in networks. Encryption secures data. Malware means malicious software. Phishing involves scam emails. Firewall protects network. Ransomware encrypts user data. HTTPS is secure because of SSL TLS. Two-factor authentication requires two verification. VPN provides encrypted connection. SQL injection target databases. Strong password includes mix of characters. DDoS attacks overload servers. Cybersecurity involves prevention, detection, and response, all of them. Hashing is one-way encryption. IAM stands for Identity and Access Management. And the 23 BFSI stands for Banking, Financial Services, and Insurance. Core banking enables 24/7 account access. NEFT is a payment system. RTGS used for large value transfers. Fintech is part of BFSI. Banking regulations are controlled in India by RBI. Insurance underwriting accesses risk fraud detection uses ML models. Credit score measures financial trustworthiness. KYC is mandatory for opening accounts. CRM helps BFSI improve customer relations. Cybersecurity is critical because banking data is sensitive. And the remaining three loan processing includes eligibility checks. Banking APIs enable third-party integration. ATM stands for automated teller machine. Okay, and the banking solution is a specialty. CBS means core banking system. Net banking provides online access. Mobile banking apps require secure authentication. ATM withdrawals use debit cards. Paytm payment switch handles transaction routing. Loan management system tracks loan repayments. Banking data must be encrypted. UPI uses virtual payment address. KYC verification include ID proof, address proof, both. CBS gives real-time account updates. Fraud monitoring uses AI. Bank reconciliation matches statements. Payment gateways integrate with banking APIs. Micro ATM used in rural banking. Passbook printing uses banking terminals. And the last topic specialty is research and development. R&D primarily focuses on innovation. A proof of concept POC is used to A option, what is this? Test feasibility. And the third, which model is best for research heavy project? C option is spiral model. R&D teams mostly deal with A option, new technologies. A prototype is A option, first functional sample. Sixth, which tech is commonly explored in R&D? B option, all AI, blockchain and IoT. Seventh, innovation lifecycle begins with A option, ideation. Research papers help build in A option, knowledge building. Ninth, benchmarking is used to do A option, compare with industry standards. 10th, predictive modeling requires A option, historical data. 11th, which is a tool for experimentation in Python. A, Jupyter and Notebook. R&D helps organization to A option, stay competitive. 13th, version control helps R&D by track experiments. A hypothesis is a scientific assumption. A option. R&D teams mostly use with which thinking method? A option, design thinking. And here we go. We have covered all of the 26 specialty in engine technologies which you have to cover to crack the exam interview.